Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to share with you a dividend stock that is up more than 21% since last year, while year to date it is slightly down. It is down 0.82% to be more specific. But before continuing with this video, I want to clarify that I am not a financial advisor and this is not investment advice, of course. The stock I am talking about is none other than Ameriprise Financial Inc., ticker symbol AMP. Ameriprise Financial Inc., together with its subsidiaries, operates as a diversified financial services company in the United States and internationally. The company offers financial planning and advice services to individual and institutional clients. It operates through advice and wealth management, asset management, and retirement protection solution segments. The advice and wealth management segment provides financial planning and advice brokerage products and services for retail and institutional clients, discretionary and non-discretionary investment advisory accounts, mutual funds, insurance and annuities products, cash management, banking products, and face amount certificates. The asset management segment offers investment management, advice, and products to retail, high net worth, and institutional clients through third party financial institutions, advisor networks, direct retail, and its institutional sales force under the Columbia Threadneedle Investments brand name. Its products include US mutual funds and their non US equivalents, exchange traded funds, variable product funds underlying insurance, annuity separate accounts, and institutional asset management products such as traditional asset classes, separately managed accounts, individually managed accounts, collateralized loan obligations, hedge funds, collective funds, property and infrastructure funds. The retirement and protection solutions segment provides variable annuity products as well as life and disability income insurance products to retail clients. The company was formerly known as American Express Financial Corporation and changed its name to Ameriprise Financial Inc. in September 2005. Ameriprise Financial Inc. was founded in 1894 and is based in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Its industry is asset management, while its sector is financials, of course. AMP has a market cap of $50 billion approximately, so we are clearly talking about a huge company. Its current PE ratio is 17.94, which is not bad considering their sector, but also it's nothing special. Their forward PE ratio is better. It is 14.22, but again, there are many competitors with better forward PE ratios, so it's nothing mind blowing. At least they're expecting their earnings to grow, which is definitely a good sign. Looking into their financials and into their income statement specifically, it is obvious that the revenue is growing consistently, and not only that, it's growing really fast. They have managed to grow the revenue by 7 to 12% approximately during the last 5 years. This is very impressive. One of my favorite things about this stock is that they buy back shares consistently. This is a great way to give back some extra value to their shareholders. They are doing aggressive buybacks. It's not a small thing to buy back more than 4% of the entire company every year. I am eager to see if they'll continue to do that in the future. For now, I don't have a reason to doubt it. As for their basic earnings per share and their diluted earnings per share, I don't see consistency, but they are definitely heading at the right direction. They are nowhere near to the 2020 levels, so we can't really complain about them. Their current basic EPS are 29.96, while their diluted EPS are 29.43. Both of them are really good in my opinion. Hopefully, they'll start growing consistently in the future. Another great thing about the stock is that they've managed to grow their dividend consistently. And it's not just that. They grew their dividend pretty fast. Now, let's continue with their balance sheet. Their cash and equivalents are $7.8 billion approximately, while their trading asset securities are $174 million. So, in total, their cash and short-term investments are $7.98 billion. This is a solid cash position, especially for a company of this size. They can potentially invest this money back into their own business, so they can hopefully continue growing as fast in the future. They could pay some special dividends, or they could even use this money to pay off some of their debt, which honestly is not that bad. Their total debt is $4.028 billion, so they can pay it off now if they want to, and still have a bunch of cash left. So their net cash debt is $3.952 billion. This debt is manageable in my opinion. I'll keep an eye on it of course, but for now I'm fine with these numbers. As for its dividend stats, AMP has a dividend yield of 1.22%, which is definitely on the lower end, but because of this amazing 9.22% dividend growth, your yield on cost will become much higher pretty fast. According to stockanalysis.com, they have managed to grow their dividends for 20 years. This is a very impressive milestone, and if this is accurate, they are getting really close to becoming a dividend aristocrat. For every single share you own, you will get paid $6.40 annually, so $1.60 every single quarter, because its payout frequency is quarterly. AMP has a very low and healthy payout ratio of 20.52%. This means that they can easily afford their current dividend, while also having at the same time a lot of room to keep raising their dividend in the future, just as fast or maybe even faster, which is huge, because they already have an impressive dividend growth. Their current buyback yield is 4.42%, which is extremely good. I want to see them continue doing aggressive buybacks in the future. This would be amazing for the shareholders. So, their shareholder yield is 5.63%, not too shabby. Analyst consensus for AMP stock is hold. This shows that they aren't very optimistic about the share price performance during the next 12 months. They gave it a low estimate of $442, an average estimate of $514.60, a median estimate of $520, and a high estimate of $565. So they're expecting the share price to change from minus 16.3% to 6.99% growth. Personally, I like AMP stock at the current valuation, but I don't think that I would feel comfortable enough to start investing into this company. First of all, I don't have $500 laying around. As you can see, this is a very expensive stock, and also buying just one share of this company would make this investment one of my biggest positions. I am open to adding this stock to my portfolio in the future, but not at the current price. My target is $400. This might take a lot of time, or it might never actually happen. But I don't mind waiting, and I would only invest if I still like the financials, of course. Let me know in the comments below what is your opinion about AMP stock. Do you maybe already own it? And also, let me know how is your invest journey going so far. Subscribe and turn the notifications on so you can see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. See you in the next one.